Hi, I'm Jake, and this is 1 week giveaway. This template is available for free by the link in description for 1 week on my Gumroad page. It's a good idea to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get the next template for free as well. Okay, so this week template is this one, and you can download it from first link in description to this video. It will be available for free for 1 week. If you will open it, you'll see that here in control layer we have just one option. But also you can go to my Gumroad page, and here in After Effects templates or Premiere Pro templates, you're gonna find this project, which is exactly the one which you can see on my screen, is this one, but it has 12 backgrounds. So let me quickly show you which options you have in full version, which you can purchase on my Gumroad page. And there you can see also the video examples of each of these cool fire logo reveals. So this is 11 one and 12. So basically, to see all of these previews, you can just go to mjakegumroad.com. You can also find this link in description to this video, and just basically check here. I have video courses on VFX, on logo text animation, video courses on AI, as also After Effects templates, Premiere Pro templates, and buy, edit, resell. This is cool one because here you can just purchase all of these 30 motion graphics backgrounds, which is a bit pricey, but the cool fact that you can just use it in your own projects and resell them. So basically, one-time purchase, and you can use this for any of your work and even resell on websites. So if you want to see this template, which is available in After Effects and Premiere Pro versions, you can just basically click on it, and here at the top you're gonna see the video, which basically will show you all 12 versions of this template. And for free you can just download this one version by the first link in description. It's super easy to use. You can just go to control layer, and here you can just adjust the brightness if you would want to make it brighter, and contrast. You can also go to File, Import File, and import your logo. So for example, let's choose maybe this one, and just open here your logo here and drag and drop. Make sure that's in the center. You can just switch between these two compositions and make sure it's exactly in the center of your shot. And this is how easily you can get your logo. This text you can also edit here in your text here. What is cool about this, that you can just type whichever text you want, and this text box will resize it. And also you can just select it and change the color here. So basically to any color which you want. Or you can just simply disable both of these layers and you'll get only your logo reveal, which also will look pretty nice. Also, instead of logo, you can just write simple text. So let's say that you wrote your text, set it somewhere in the middle, and this is reveal of your text, which is also pretty nice. So this template you'll get for free, and if you would want to have full version of this project, you can just check mjake.gumroad.com, and here you can choose After Effects version or Premiere Pro, and just select any of these projects, and you can just purchase the full version. Also, you can find all kinds of in-depth extended tutorials on my Skillshare and Gumroad pages. My Gumroad page not only has a wide variety of tutorials, but also all kinds of After Effects and Premiere Pro templates. Subscribe to my channel to not miss my next 1 week giveaway. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notified when a new video is online. Like this video and leave a request in the comment section of what template you would like me to make for the next giveaway. Thank you for watching.